We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP CP3525 printer, and we're going to show you how to manually set the IP address. So if you're going to be manually setting the IP address, the first thing you need to know is the IP address that you're going to be setting on this printer. So once you have that information, then we can go ahead and make sure the printer's turned on and its normal ready state, and then we'll be good to go and start setting the IP address. So we're going to go ahead and go to the control panel. We're going to use the down arrows to go down and select Configure Device. Once Configure Device is selected, go ahead and hit the OK button. Again, using the down arrow, you're going to scroll down until you find the I/O option. Once that's selected, go ahead and hit OK. And then using the down arrow, we're going to select Embedded Jet Direct menu. Hit OK again. And then we're going to scroll down to TCP/IP. Hit OK. And then scroll down and find the IPv4 settings option and hit OK. And then now we're going to want to click on the very first option, which is Configure, our config method. Hit OK. You're going to want to scroll down and select Manual. Once Manual is selected, you're going to click OK. And give it a second, and it's going to return you back to that menu, except now you have an option for manual settings. Scroll down once again, select manual settings, and click OK. And the very first option is going to be IP address. So we're going to click OK. And now using the arrow keys, you're going to go ahead and you're going to set your IP address that you need this printer to be set to. You're going to go ahead and set the first number, just using the arrow keys to get the number that you need. Once you have that number set correctly, you're going to hit the OK button. That's going to take you to the next section. Again, you're going to set that number to whatever number it needs to be. Hit OK, so on and so forth, all the way until you have the number set correctly. And once you hit OK that final time, that'll save that IP address and return you back to the previous menu. Once you've done that, I would recommend powering off the printer. And then wait probably a good 10 seconds at least. Make sure the printer's completely powered down. And then once you've done that, go ahead and power it back on. And once the printer powers back on, the IP address should be set. You should be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.